Do you feel nervous or afraid to speak English? Have you ever thought I can do it? Do you improve your speaking English? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome to my brand new video. It's me, Mosharaf, a student of Kumilla University, and I am also from Kumilla. Today, I am truly excited and honored to be here in front of you right now. In this video, I want to inspire you to start learning English, not tomorrow, but today. If you are a beginner or if you are struggling with confidence, then this video is for you. Let's grow together and make English a powerful tool in your life. Now, I am gonna share a personal story, something very real from my own life. I used to struggle a lot with English too. I couldn't even speak a full sentence without hesitation or fear. But one thing is that I didn't give up. I started shortly, just one sentence a day. Sometimes I spoke to myself, and little by little, I started gaining confidence. Whenever I kept practicing, whenever I went, I kept practicing whenever I got time, at the railway station, at the bus stop, at my own home, or even in front of the mirror. The question is that why is English important? English is important because English is not just a language, it's a life-changing skill, it's a global skill. It opens the door to scholarships, to higher educations, to communicate with others, and global communication.